Hi guys, here's the advisor, and today I'm going to teach you how to purchase an NFT on Stacks ecosystem. So there are two main marketplaces on Stacks right now, stacksnft.com and byzantion.xyz. We will mainly focus on stacksnft.com. So as you can see from the platform, you can see the top collections the last day, but also of all time, last 3 days, you choose the rankings. Like the blue chip for sure is Mega Ponte Club, one of actually my favorite project, but also don't sleep on Project Indigo. And there are also a lot of other great projects, as you can see from the volume. But as always, do your own research before buying anything. Regarding the features of stacksnft.com, there is the community section where people can actually look at the profile of other users. To create your own profile, so first of all, let's connect our wallet. To create your own profile, you click on your address, and I already created one, but instead of edit profile, you should be create profile, and you will be able to create your own profile. You can put a bio inside. Let's connect again. And as you see, you can put your website, Twitter handle, and put something about you. Moreover, you will be able to see the assets that you own, the one that were listed for sale, etc., and also the activities. Then you can actually also create your own collection and launch it on stacksnft.com through this portal. I'm not going into the process, but you can decide also to allow users to mint your project with other tokens instead of stacks like USDA, and they're a pretty cool feature. So if you are looking into launching your own project, I will look at this feature. But now let's get to the main part of this tutorial that consists in buying an NFT on Stacks. So let's go through the collections, and we'll look for a project that has a floor price less than 10 stacks, because it's everything that I have in this wallet. There's a Magic Cape School, Satoshi, Ideal. Let's go with byzantion Stacks Dragon. So first of all, I don't know these projects, so I'm buying one just for the sake of teaching you. And as you can see, there is also the activity that you can check, the market, and also different way to view the activity. So now I'm gonna buy one. Let's click on this one. Buy now. Let me share. New share. This is what you will see once you will buy an NFT. You can choose the fees. I'm gonna put custom 0.001. It should be enough to go through and do confirm. And now we should be back. Sorry for now, we should be back here. So as you can see, our transaction has been placed. It will take around 10 minutes to get confirmed because Stacks blocks are anchored to Bitcoin blocks, so it will take 10 minutes. And it's quite some time, but scalability is coming. So there's actually hyperchains that are coming to improve scalability on Stacks. And in the meantime, I also suggest to look at Byzantion. Byzantion is the other platform to buy NFTs and connecting the wallet. And it's actually Byzantion allows you to put bids on NFTs and receive email when you receive a bid on your NFTs, which is a great feature. And you will decide which of the two platforms you prefer the best. And my tutorial is finished here. I hope you enjoyed it. And please also follow me on Twitter, where I write 2 threads a week, usually Tuesday and Thursday. My name is theadvisor.btc. Thank you for your attention, and see you the next time.